Hey guys! So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to decorate some festive jumper cookies. Perfect now that we're coming in to the festive season. This is a really simple tutorial to follow. It just calls for one consistency of icing, so great if you're a complete beginner. I'm going to be using the Bake by Steph DIY icing kit. It comes with the pre-baked bases and the pre-mixed icing, so it makes it all so much simpler. But if you don't have one, don't worry. I'm going to pop a few links in the description below to everything you need to know to bake your bases and get your icing ready. Or you could just buy a box. So nothing left to do, get your favorite festive jumper on and let's get icing some festive jumper cookies. So let's get started with our simplest cookie design. This design is using the base of the cookie as the color of the jumper. So we're just essentially piping a pattern on top. Now there are a few defining features of a jumper. I'm sure you've seen a jumper before, so I don't have to tell you, but these things will make it look super realistic and impressive. So if you can capture the collar and the cuffs and the detail at the bottom of the jumper, already it will start to take shape. I also personally like to make the outline on my sleeves a little bit squiggly because it makes it look like a nice big cozy slouchy jumper rather than something tight-fitting. No one wants tight-fitting at Christmas. Now you've got the shape of the jumper, you can decorate it however you like. So next up, we're going to completely cover the base of our cookie using, again, single consistency icing, and we're just going to do this by creating multiple lines. I have sped this up. This took me a lot longer than it looks. You're basically piping a line after line after line after line, but it kind of gives you the effect of a knitted jumper. And once you've got all those lines laid down, you can then, again, add any design you like on top. And finally, this one is not for the faint-hearted. This is the most impressive one by far, but it will take you forever. I have sped this up 6 times faster than the real time. It's essentially piping a little cross. It's like cross-stitching over and over and over again to resemble a knit design. And then in between each line of crosses, you pipe another line on top. And you just keep repeating this over and over again until either you get bored or until you have a completely filled base. And once again, you decorate it however you like on top. And there you have it, 3 festive jumper cookie designs. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.